Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gesar Sebastian. I'm a student from LSPR Communication and Business Institute under the supervision of Mr. Charles Bonar Sirait as my mentor and lecturer. Today, I would like to talk about climate change and how we prevent climate change. Take a look from the picture. It shows us the process of greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect comes from greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Some heat from the sun goes to space and other heat is blocked and emitted by greenhouse gases. Greenhouse effect changes the temperature, wind patterns, and rain. It is sure that the temperature gets higher because of greenhouse effect. Since Industrial Revolution began, use of fossil energy was massive and greenhouse gases are increasing. If we look the data from World Meteorological Organization, it is predicted that the temperature in 2025 will be about 1.2 degrees Celsius. What are the impacts of high temperature? High temperature causes massive wildfires, droughts, floods, and ice melting. Ice melting and heavy rainfalls could cause floods, disrupting human activities. Wildfires increases in drought and high winds, thus the wildfires could bring air pollution worse. So how do we prevent climate change? There are three ways. First, we have to change our habits. For example, when you are at your house, it is better if you turn off the air conditioner or AC for a bit longer. Why? Substances in AC like CFCs or HFCs are threats for ozone in atmosphere. Those substances will raise the temperature higher, so keeping the AC off for a bit longer is to keep the earth cooler, and we can save electricity. We could limit our meat consumptions because meat consumptions will release methane. We could also use tote bag, which is eco-friendly than the plastics. Second, implementation of carbon tax. The purpose of carbon tax is to charge polluters, which is based from amount of carbon is produced. It is really effective for carbon-based industry. What are the taxes for? Well, the taxes is for clean energy development. Indonesia, it has no legal protection yet for carbon tax, and it is in development process for practical use of the tax. Some articles stated that some countries has implemented or scheduled carbon tax. Third, renewable energy. A lot of people have used renewable energy for daily activities. Water, air, sun radiation, bioenergy, and geothermal are affordable and renewable to support energy for small until large areas. Did you know we could use renewable energy by ourselves? In instance, we could put solar panels on the roof. In Shazab village, Afghanistan, it uses micro dam to support rural electricity and irrigation. From this presentation, I hope we could make better progress to make better future by giving our best for our environment. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share this to everyone so all people aware about climate change and act to combat climate change. You could check references for this presentation in description below. Remember, maintain sustainable world.